In this video, I'll show you how to replace the hinges that are holding the rear window, these ones over here, of your Honda CRV. This is a Honda CRV from 2002,
If we open
2006,
it, you
but
don't
maybe
see the
it
fuse
works
box, but
with
if we
the older
remove
one.
it from
So we need to remove those
hinges,
bolts, and there's also
and
some
we pull
bolts
it
under
completely
this
out.
plastic trim that we'll need to remove. So what you need is a Torx T30, so T30, to remove some of the bolts, and you also need a 10mm socket. So let's start with these ones. So we got the first one out, don't lose them. Then what we need is a tool like this one. This one is a trim removal tool, but you can take a flathead screwdriver. Maybe if it's in plastic, it's better since you won't scratch up things. And we need to remove this plastic trim that is right above. So just unclip it because it's held by multiple clips and pull down. Perfect. Now put this aside. And over there is a 10mm bolt. You'll need a deep socket since it's recessed, and you may not have access to that bolt if it's not a deep socket. So let me put it on my drill. Here we go. This is the bolt. And since the hinge is now not held by anything, you just need to remove it by prying it out slightly, not much effort, like that. So this is how you get it out, and to replace it, you just have to do the same exact steps, but backward. So put it back there, and then put the 10mm first, then put the Torx T30 and put back the plastic trim.